What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is paint day. Today we are spraying out the ceilings of the garage, and this is a part of it that I've been really hanging to do. We've got the XFs outside. She's tucked away and covered, ready for the spraying to happen. We've got the speakers and stuff are all down. The light globes are out. Everything else you see up on the ceiling there will be sprayed. So it'll all get sprayed and all get hidden. It's all going a nice black. So domino black, I think it's got written on here somewhere. Yep, cool, you can see that. But yeah, so we're gonna start spraying that out. Griff's on his way. And yeah, we're gonna spray out the ceilings and everything first. Then I will undercoat that wall, we'll gap and fill anything, and then we'll jump onto the walls. And then once the walls are done, we'll jump onto the floor. So yeah, I'm hanging to see this happen. Yeah, it's gonna look really, 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 really good. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's the next morning. Let's go see how it looks now it's had a chance to cure and flatten off. I'm excited. Lights on. And it is looking amazing. It looks better than I expected. But as you can see, it is all done. That looks absolutely amazing. It kind of looks misty on the camera. I think the lights kind of throw it off that way, but it looks so nice. I was really tossing up between whether we leave the plaster or we do the exposed look. I was so glad that the boys talked me into doing the exposed look because that looks incredible. Absolutely incredible. I love it. I love it. So as I was saying, the next thing I need to do now is I've got a couple of little cracks in the wall I've got to fix down here. So I'm going to fill them all up so you can't see anything there. Got to undercoat this wall, gap it and fill it, and then paint the walls out and then paint the floors. So that's the next job. The next job will be doing those couple of bits and pieces there, undercoating that, letting it sit for a little bit, and then we'll get onto the walls and then onto the floors. But it's really starting to come along. I'm hanging. I'm hoping I can get the floors done. It's I got to keep the car off it for 5 days to do the floors, and we've got in the next 5 days a lot of rain, and like the XF's got a cover, but I weirdly wig out about leaving it outside. But yeah, this looks fucking insane. I'm so bloody happy right now. I'm so keen to see the walls now, and then see like all the roller doors painted and stuff, and yeah, get my TV and all that back up in here and actually get started using on it. But it's getting there, guys. It's getting there. I'm pumped. I'm hoping you guys are all enjoying this so far and enjoying the build out of this. So this has been a lot of fun.
7 women. 7.5.
Now it's wall time. Yeah. What colour have we gone, Griff?
Casper white.
Oh, Casper white colour, sweet. Nice. I'm gonna spray out all of this now.
Windows are not that great. Doesn't matter. But once I have a few fucking candy colours, you're off. Way better already, man. I would have snacked and wait through those ones.
Oh, after the first one was
Easy, you can say.
What are we doing, Plumsy? You don't like me.
That was my idea. I'm fucking
Do you want me to undo it or?
Not bad. Check this out. We're not quite finished yet. The boys doing some touch-ups on all the black and whatnot, and the white. But damn, that looks good. You happy for Griffey?
Fucking oath, man.
Oh, nice.
Doesn't look like a crackdown anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a crackdown. Looks very nice. Once the floors will be done, it'll tie it all together. But yeah, let's keep going. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Everything is cured and dried and it looks incredible in here. I'm so happy. So this wall here, it still needs to be gapped and filled, and then another coat. As you can see, some of the stains bleeding through, but that's fine. But yeah, it looks so nice in here. I'm so happy with what the boys have done. So that roller door is brown there because the opposite side of the door needs to get painted. So when it's closed, it looks like that. The whole outside of the house and everything is getting painted as well, but at a later time. But yeah, it looks $1 million in here. It's starting to really look how I thought it was going to come out. I've got the TV back on the wall. We've got that all cable managed, so everything's hidden behind it. The next thing we're going to get to is I've got to get all this tile glue off. So I'm going to try with this and see how we go. And then, yeah, it's going to be a boring shit job. So I'm going to put it on time lapse. We'll get through that. We'll get it done. And then I've got to clear everything out of here. And it's time to paint the floor. So yeah, let's get to it. So, I'm not sure if you can see me or not, but I've got a diamond cutting blade for the grinder. We're getting through it. There's no point trying to time lapse it because you can't see shit. But I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but it's working. So we'll keep doing this. We'll get rid of it, and I'm really scared that I haven't got a mask on, so I'm breathing in all of this shit, but it'll be done. Alrighty, we are all cleared out. We are ready to do the floors. All the walls, everything's done. I am stoked. The boys from Initial did an amazing job. If you need any painting stuff done, anything at all, hit up the boys Initial Painting. I work for them, and yeah, the work speaks for itself. We do some amazing work, and they've done some amazing work here. So I've got everything hiding in my office at the moment, while I'm gonna keep everything off the floor, and then I can walk on it, I think, in 24 hours, and then in 5 days, the car can come back in. So I can't wait, because I hate having it out there. But yeah, let's get into the floors, guys. Alrighty guys, that is it. It's all done. The walls, ceilings, floors, it's all painted. It all looks amazing. I'm staring at it right now. Who wants to have a bit of a look-see? Not just yet. You'll have to wait till the next episode to see the finished product. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys. See ya.